Okay, I'm gonna chug this beer. I'm gonna try to swallow air as I chug the beer, but not too much, because otherwise it's gonna hurt. And then we'll see how long of a burp I may have after the fact.
That's for me or the people jerking at home.
For both. And I'm dedicating it to the guy who jerks off thinking burp, 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 burp. This one's for you. Done. Okay, wait. Oh, God. Whew. Oh. Woo! Wait, I might not be able to make it. The first one's coming. Oh. Oh. Whew. Okay, that was only like half the beer, though. I swallowed foam. It was bad. Oh, foamy burp. Oh, God. Oh, baby. Not good. Oh. On. And then, Meryl Streep is just. Whoop, whoop. Oh, yeah.